So here we are setting up the negative airflow situation. I need to finish sealing that up. We got fans sucking air and then closing off all the air entryways so that we get the air flowing in one direction. So what I do is get this set up. I still need to block that off a little bit more, another piece of wood. But what I do is I adjust the door until I can feel the wind and then set a block so I know that the wind is blowing in that direction. If that window's sealed, this door, close this. Now I can actually feel the air coming in through this window. I think it's called negative. Yeah, negative airflow, because it's sucking out, and that gets the air to flow in one direction. And so this is the next step is going to be the blower. I've got the leaf blower. Basically, I've hooked up a nozzle so it's a little more pointed, and this will blast the dust out of the rafters and out of the nooks and crannies. And so we can get most of the dust out. That results in less mud when you're pressure washing. So you can see how dark it is in here. And so in addition to cleaning and painting, we're going to add more light fixtures in this room. But this, there's some batting insulation. I need to pull all of that out before pressure washing because it'll be ruined. We'll pull out all the batting and even the styrofoam insulation that was in here I pulled out. And we'll actually pressure wash the benches out in the yard. But we're real close to pressure washing. You can see all the air gaps. We're going to get all that sealed up, painted, and insulated. A lot of people wouldn't bother painting before putting the wall on, but I like to paint because it seals up everything. It just holds all the dust in. And using the latex paint, it still has the opportunity to breathe in the way that wood needs to, just a little. And so all of this fiberglass batting needs to come out so it doesn't get ruined. So I'm going to plug that up so we've got a positive or a negative airflow out this way. And then we'll start blasting with the leaf blower. Once that is done and the dust is removed, then we'll be going through with a spray bleach. We've got a detergent hose on the pressure washer to lay bleach. You have to put it on low pressure, put the bleach on, and then we put it on high pressure to pressure wash off. The bleach kills the mold and mildew spores, and also bacteria and anything else that's in there. It helps to deodorize. It smells better. So, Monty Reed with an update on taking our dark workshop and turning it into a light one. This is our new Stark Labs north of Seattle. And that is our negative airflow.